Hi, I'm Seb. I'm one of the organizers of PyCascades this year, and I just wanted to walk you through our process of signing up to our event platform, which is venueless, and how to get from your Pretix ticket into the actual event platform, either on February 19th when we have our pre-social, or on February 20th for the actual event. So basically, what you need to find is your Pretix order confirmation. So from Pretix, you should have gotten an email that looks very similar to this, and it has your order confirmation and a link to Pretix. And this is your ticket page or your order confirmation page. Basically, click through to that, and you should see something that looks similar to this. What you probably won't see if you click through before the event is this top part where it says join the online event, because we haven't enabled that yet. But as soon as we make that available for the general public, this will pop up on this ticket page, and you can easily just click through on the join online, and it'll take you to pycascades.venueless.events, and you will have your sign up screen or login screen to set up your profile. So in this case, it's asking me for my sign up name, and I'm just gonna add in my pronouns here as well, just to make them easily visible and make it very clear to everybody what my preferred pronouns are. And then clicking through to that, I can either use a randomly generated icon, or I can upload an image here. And obviously the image is the preferred way, so that you can actually see who the other attendees are. But we leave that up to you to make a decision what you prefer. And then you just confirm this. And you can also provide your pronouns. You can provide whether you would prefer not to be directly reached by DMs or not. So in this case, I'm gonna say yes. If you say no, this doesn't do anything on the platform itself. This is basically just an indication for people to know whether you prefer to be reached directly via DMs or not. I'm gonna leave everything else the way it is. You don't have to fill any of this in. You can just click through, and ta-da, you are basically on the platform. And at the bottom here, I'm in the way. On the bottom here, you can basically see, here's my name and here's my icon. And then you can see all of the rooms and pages that we haven't fully set up yet. So that's basically all there is to accessing the platform. We'll send out some additional videos or provide some additional videos to basically walk you through some of the other things and give you a better idea where to find what within the Venueless platform itself. But this is basically all there is to getting access to the platform. All right, thank you. And we're looking forward to having you on February 19th or 20th, or hopefully both.